First Christmas.
It's Kali's first Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
With our headband. Open that later.
All of them.
All of them.
He's doing silly down pa.
She's doing silly tang.
Yeah, he's doing.
Ay, she's smiling. Oh, enough kissing na po. Enough na po.
Pila.
You like it?
Wow.
Wow.
Portali.
Merry Christmas.
Kai, what are you eating? Huh?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow, can you show mommy? Yummy, yan, yummy.
Yeah.
Who gave you that? That's from?
Mommy.
From Tita Jody. You say, thank you, Tita Jody.
Thank you, Tita Jody.
Or you say, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Daddy Lo.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Wow, this is our Christmas tree.
Very good for me.
Ang Christmas tree na puro kay Kayus and Kali lang nag-give.
Mine.
That's yours?
Yeah.
Wow, so many gift ah.
Mine.
You will open that later?
All of them.
All of them. Merry Christmas, Mama La.
Merry Christmas!
Wow, what's that? That's pasta.
Pasta!
Wait lang, I'm showing them what Mama La is doing. Wow, this is pasta.
Yes, a pasta.
Yummy pasta.
Many cheese. Yum, 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 yum.
Many
Yum,
cheese.
yum,
You love
yum.
cheese?
Yeah. I like
Yes.
to eat it.
Wow, Merry Christmas,
Merry
Daddy.
Christmas, Mami.
Cooking steak. Preparing for the steak na.
Christmas steak.
Christmas steak. Wow. Sarapan mo yan, ha?
Siyempre.
Siyempre.
Parang ka nag-wolfgang.
Wow. Wolfgang.
Patabi-tabi.
Hello, we're back here sa kitchen.
Merry Christmas.
With our headband. So, tulog pa si Kali, tapos si Kayus,
Namamas ko.
nakipamasko pa sa ninang niya dun sa kapitbahay. So, yan. Ang ating Christmas steak. So, kapal. Hello, Kali. Merry Christmas. Oh, no. Kuya is removing your blanket. Oh, you wait lang. Gentle. Okay. Thank you, Kuya.
He's doing silly down pa.
She's doing silly tang?
Yeah, he's doing
Ay, she's smiling.
silly. He's doing. Can I see?
oh.
Wow.
It's Kali's first Christmas.
I want to push.
Oh, you wait lang. It's already pushed na, love.
It's my first Christmas.
It's Kali's first Christmas. Kali's still sleeping. Sleeping pa siya eh.
I'm still sleeping.
Yeah.
Can I? No, I will push on my own.
Will push on your own. So, this is our food. So, yan. We have the macaroons, pasta, the steak with the potatoes on the side, the ham. There, ang ating ham na galing sa office. Ating mixed seafood. Yay! So, it's Kali's first Christmas with us, with the family. So, yun si Kali sleeping po. Oy, sus, Merry Christmas, Kali. And Kuya!
Merry Christmas.
Ano? Merry Christmas, Kuya! And everyone, we have Mama La.
Merry Christmas!
And then we have Daddy Lo.
Merry Christmas.
And Kevin. Yeah. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas. Oh, si Kali, oh. Sleeping. Ay, naku. Sabi niya.
Ingay
Ang
naman.
ingay naman dito. So, ayan.
Kaya nakakunot ang noo eh.
So, magpipicture muna kami. Para may remembrance.
Yes. Thank you,
Yes.
Thank you for
set up na ni Kayus and ni Daddy. Wow, we have a paper napkin from Jody. Thank you, Jody. So, yan. So, nilalagay ni Daddy. Si Kayus. Na napakakulit. What are you doing?
Holding this one because this is not still fixed.
What's that ba?
A grabber.
A grabber?
For that one.
That's a tripod,
A
love.
tripod for that one.
What do you call this ba?
A camera.
A camera, that's right.
This tripod is for this camera.
Yeah, for that camera.
So we can use it.
So we can use it, di ba?
Na.
Kaya na.
Kayus playing pa din. And si baby and mommy sleeping.
pa din. First Christmas ni Kali. Kali, baby.
Wake up na.
Sus.
Galit na siya.
Yeah,
Galit na
Merry
siya.
Christmas! Kai, Merry Christmas, Kai! You say, ano ba yung ginagawa mo dyan?
Merry Christmas, Kayus.
Christmas.
You look at Daddy,
How about Daddy?
Busy na si Kayus, You want to open the gifts na?
Later.
Later pa?
What are you doing to baby? Gently lang po.
I'm doing jelly here to baby.
Oo, gently lang, gently.
Alam, tomato sauce ito yan.
Oo, enough kissing na po. Enough na po. Waiting na.
Ito naglutuan.
Marami ang aming mga food. Yan. Guys, you want to open your gifts na?
Yeah.
Yeah? You get muna yung kung ano yung sayo. Then we will open there. Or you want to open here in the Christmas tree?
I want to open in the Christmas tree. This is a trash.
No, not yet. There's something written there eh. You wait lang. You wait for Daddy, ha? Wait. Okay, Kayus.
Kuya.
Atat na mag-open ng gift. That's from, you read mo na, Kai.
This one is from Tukayus. Merry Christmas from Ninang Lin.
Ninang Lin, remember you choose that?
Yeah.
Okay.
With Kuya Zaki, with Kuya Aliyah, with Kuya Blaze, with Kuya Jack.
Okay. What will you say to Ninang Lin?
Thank you, Ninang Lin. Thank you, Kuya Jack. Thank you, Kuya Blaze.
And-
Thank you, Kuya Aliyah.
Ah, ang dami namang tinithankyuhan.
What's inside?
What's inside?
Wow!
What's that?
Naglagay kami ng
The purifier.
araw-araw na lang.
Wow.
From Tinong.
Wow,
Say
from
to
Tinong.
Thank you, Tinong.
Wow!
Wow, what's that, your mommy?
It's too big for me.
Wow, a Batman.
It's too big. They're
That's
giving
okay.
They're giving you too big.
They're giving you too big. Ay, gusto mo ba small lang?
Yeah.
From
Yeah,
Tinong.
that's, you say thank you, Dino.
Thank you, Tinong.
Or choose what's next. Wow, that's from, it
Oh,
says,
someone says, Tukayus, be a good boy. From Santa.
oh, from Santa.
Santa gave you-
Ano yung wish mo kay Santa ba? Ano yung wish?
A toy.
What toy?
T-Rex toy.
Ano? T-Rex transporter? That's too expensive, love. Next time na daw, sabi ni Santa.
Hello.
A pupu pila.
Wow. Is that one of your wish?
Yeah, a pupu pila.
You like it?
Hello.
You say thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
From Daddy.
From Daddy?
From you, Daddy.
Yeah.
What's that?
What's that?
At naibalot pa ni Daddy yun, ah.
Hot Wheels.
What kind of the hot wheel
A
car?
drug toy.
Tractor.
Wow. Okay.
From you, Mommy. Wow.
What's that, love?
What is that the box? Let's open.
It's a magnetic tiles, love.
Let's open.
Later you will open. You like it?
You're gonna see.
It's heavy.
Hey, yeah, I'm strong.
You like it, love? That's for you. Oo. Again.
This one is to Kai. It's from Santa again.
From Santa again?
Many gifts from Santa.
Yeah. That's from sleigh.
Yeah, from his sleigh. From the
That one again.
Wow, the small one from Daddy.
From
Wow.
Santa, yeah.
From Santa pala yan.
That one is from which one?
Baby.
This one is for you. This one is to Kai. It's from Ninang April and Ninong Juno.
I got a Christmas tree on it.
Yeah.
What is that?
Wow. A block.
Wow.
What box is?
Wow, you like it?
Yeah, black.
Oh, what will you say to Ninang April and Ninong Juno? Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you and Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. This is not heavy.
That's not heavy. That's a puzzle toy.
Ah, it's
Ah, Santa again. A nice boy ka ba this year? Oh, ang dami namang gift from Santa.
There's more.
There's more.
Yeah. Yeah. Another superhero.
Another superhero. Santa knows what you want, ah.
What's that?
Small Spider-Man.
Wow.
Can I see?
Show Mama la daw.
Oh, this one is from
Santa.
Daddy.
From Dad.
Daddy.
And has a giraffe.
You're so happy naman eh. Oh.
No.
Wow.
No.
Wow.
A grabber arm.
Oh no, grabber arm.
A grabber arm.
Oh, you can clean up your toys na using that? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it will carry stuff like
Yeah, like, okay.
this.
Daddy Lo.
Ah, from
Wow. What's that?
A spider. Man.
Spider-Man again?
Yeah.
a big one?
A big, small, a black one.
Pare-pares pa kayo ng regalo. Tatlo kayo ah.
Misata.
Wow, a big Spider-Man.
It's too black. The spider on his chest.
Yeah, okay. That's from Daddy Lo. What will you say to
Thank you,
the...
Daddy Love.
Picture.
Wow, you know that. What's that?
A blanket.
A blanket. That's
Come
shirt.
on.
A shirt yan lang. Wow. What will you say to Mama La? Mama La.
Mama love.
Okay.
Ninang Lin. It says to Kai. Merry Christmas from Ninang Lin.
Wow. You have two Ninang Lina. The other one is your Tita Ninang and the other one is your Ninang. Wow. What's that? A puzzle? Show Mommy nga. What's that? Oh, wow. Oh.
Wow. What will you say to Ninang Lin?
Okay.
This one is from Tino.
From Tino.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Kali!
From Tita April and Tito Juno.
Oh, Tita April, Tito Juno. Thank you, Tita April and Tito Juno. Sa box.
What's inside?
Wow, so cute.
Kuya Jam, Tito Matt, and Tita Hazel. Oh, watermelon.
Watermelon blanket.
Wow.
A hoodie blanket. Wow, thank you.
Watermelon blanket?
Yeah, watermelon blanket for Kali.
A
That's
common.
for Kali, babe.
A common.
Wow, that's for Mama La.
What's this? Shit.
Wow, a clothes, a yellow clothes.
Oh, kay Mamela.
Wow, Daddy Lo and Mami La.
Open it. Another
Clothes!
clothes.
Wow! A Disney! A Disney clothes. Opo. From Mami.
From Mommy, and it's a toy. A baby toy.
Si Kali, so pag toy, kay kasali. Oh, that's from Kali.
Oh, di ba we buy that one?
Yeah.
Ito,
And the
maglalaro.
toy store.
From Daddy.
From Daddy.
Daddy.
Wow.
Daddy.
Wow!
It's like a popsicle kayo. A rattle from Santa to.
Tata.
This one is from Santa Kai.
Yes, another
For
dog.
Kali.
For Kali to. For Kali to.
And that's
Wow, it's a black.
Rowing.
Hey.
Yeah,
And
shade.
Rowing. There's
Yeah.
one more.
You will teach baby how to use
Borrowing.
that.
Okay, you play with baby, ha?
Later.
No,
Not later when baby's big na.
Baby's big na. I mean, this is for Kali pa. Kali.
Kali. This is from
A diaper na. You need this.
Look this up.
Ang diaper. Oh, Gino. Oh, that's a diaper na. That's a diaper for Kali. Diaper for Kali.
yeah, with 9 on 114.
Then open na, Daddy.
Stina.
And it's a
It's a
bottle.
bottle. Wow.
Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Bigas. Oo po.
Happy ka sa mga gift, Kai?
Yeah.
Wow. Ay, busy na sa pag-open ng gifts, ah. Yan. So, dahil na kami mag-open ng gifts ni Kali and ni Kayus. Busy na si Kayus. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Christmas.
You say Merry Christmas, everyone, love.
Christmas.
You look at them, ah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Okay, you play na, ha?
Yeah.
We're not going to sleep, ha?
I'm not.
You're not. Okay.